Ghanaian European Center for Jobs, Migration and Development for Omani Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations, and I saw Jumedi Asina Ede Ebremo, Memeda and Memeda Bia. Na Jumedia Center say, Sir Oya Bofra or we school. Abebru a we school, Ope Jumaye, na Unya Binyeno, Oba Omo Center Honoma. Omo de o ebeko etitiye mu ahwe se de usitie na adwuma kra wo pese onya bi ya onya bi nye no adwuma ko bebre na de akogya omo se omo pe dipa no ma ye adwuma na emom omo pe qualified na be de hu do ye qualified obi wo ha obuzan se adwuma be na opo se adwuma bi ya da bi Ghanaian European Center for Jobs, Migration and Development for there questions are now said titi obo be fifa famu bia na be mo se adwuma we e na betimi aboa odache eti oko center hono mo a na so wawie university o pa adwuma ye obu okra CV kuta na wode pa adwuma bebrebe ni nyina wonya na wan tro CV ni ye oko ho a ombe kiro se si tro CV a convince HRs ni bebre a ombe fa wadwuma the same thing na center hono mo no omusa hwe emabuna sebi omote se me a omobrofo anye na emom omusa no ye yene ntimi kabrofo ne ye ntimi nkoye ebia pen adwuma no ye de nyame aman adwene bi ensa no ebopa se pesi esuansa no adwuma wa wo pesa usuansa no adwuma bia se carpenter se mason se electrician se ediensa no adwuma bia HND ayi bia pesa usua bia se even mechanic kra na pesa usua oko eye center honma eye Ghanaian European Center for Jobs, Migration and Development for makachi honma omo edo be quantity akwa ma wosua nsano adwuma emretia wa bim na hu a adwuma na wosua ne ho akade bia se de ball bre bia no tools no omo de be ma so bi ti say oye carpenter ni a tools ad be ye adwuma se o plane o saw ne o hammer ne wa ni nyina no omo de be ma na de ahye adwuma ase obo o wi adwuma a sa no ma we de be hye adwuma na se kra no ne bi obo akosua tie said dryer head dryer obenya to skani ho ne nyina na dwumakoi e de be ma na se to so bio so no vocational skills american ni training na omo de ma no free untu ahwe free obo ososo a na oboye bojwa na se de ontimi fasika nto ho na de bia o se me boka okọ ho no ma center ho no edo be ko business education mo be kire o se de esi bookkeeping any normal bibia na de nyina no so no na omo abhe wo dwetre na o de adwuma no bia na enso normal wo ye ni ntine ma ne basa na ye no eno so no omutimi hwe se ohia top up bia eno so no center ne betima aboa ena se opese utu kwan ko obi ma so ade bia ye kan se akwantu de ehu hia papa memetie me firi asante memu na bankra memu betu kwan abankra memu ena me bo me bra e akwantu be bia obefiri be bia wo na akọ be fufuro no one migrate from A to B otu kwan na ubetu kwan a ese onya obi obetu fufo obekire kwan a ofaso na oduru krom ho no ma ubenya wasomdwe na otima ye adwuma anything European countries ne pe insano adwuma for papa titru any steel benders forklift drivers any insano adwuma asabi ye tikrom ha ye nimu ye na mom ye ni certificate eno so na akoye adwuma a European countries no omo pe nipa ene omaye adwuma eti de center ne kan se wo yo bi abebo homodin ye pa ko school bi akosua enya certificates na wanya krona opeso koso me de Germany example opeso ko Germany a eso osua German kasa no se Holland eso osua Holland kasa no na okọ se okọ akọpẹ working visa se say wo ma working visa ache se o mutimi de working visa ne ma wo krom ha pẹ uduru ho a wadwumaye ehwehwe enye den woni enye ontanta enko rekrom ho ansa no aka se okọpẹ won krata bia akọ akoye sa working visa ni bi o be kire papa hyase free krom ha ya eti center ne se oba omuno be din kita ho akyekyere ama wakwanuasa ese ofaso na nya omo na ekoje visa na ma nemom advices no ho no do be quantity yim akyerɛ enwuma wo hia nkrata wo hia wo de bɛkɔ akwakope wo visa and the only embassy nasem ye the visa ne ma wo pe sebi prediasa minua ohuso na de omo ye nyina no omo jiska eye free ukọ center hon ko a eye free ene say kro bia so awo bia no say labor office bi benwa ya kro bia wo so bia say labor office bi benwa obetimi akọhọ say otin kai boy na oba na obebusem omo no ebedi nkita ho bia se oma oba enkran main officer ombe chiro aba eye Ghanaian European Center office o won kran ha anasa wo betima tu kwan aba nkran ha no so a wo de faka besi circle na pe ministries taxi rank hono wo ko ministries a omo taxi rank hono last stop hono no obuso omo say o ko eye labor officer anasa o ko minister of employment office hono ehwa na GIZ foi anasa Ghanaian European Center for home office no wakoto enibdefo a advices a omo be quantity mu amu hu de ntia omo boss adawre obetimi akọ omo address ne ye 91 Starless Road eye next to Minister of Employment wona America na ukọ hon man kra ha ukọ Stadium Road no so hon omo ukọ Education Ministry omo gate no Interior Ministry gate na no hon boss omo so omo your dine white bi she hon mo ho ano mo ana betima frɛ omo 055 675 8518 and 055 675 8516 which must have from 055 257 0251 and 055 257 0252 four numbers in no esa your WhatsApp ufre omna obia mfakra na obetima WhatsApp o ma kire om se what is anka boy na opese onu omudi nkita ho ombe frɛ back na omno edi nkita ho se obeba office onu ma na oma kire kwan no so tia mesikan no services bia omde ma obia eye free obi ka se menya bibi se ya mama mesika se na memfa onko ho no mu a nipa ne juice ka di kwa se dem mesikan wa faka anafa phone ne frɛ wo mo ne faka akọ bibi ombe ya ma obia eye free eye European government any Ghana government and akambo mo yes ade no na okwa obehu de me kan se no kre so bi eyira kwan kra no peso ye ya se de me kan ye no obetima ba eye multimedia ha sei ye betimi akyerew kwan na otimi edi akọ aha ye Asempa 94.7 mo so mfuko kwa mankwa Akonta Jo ena medi dwuma hu chia me nene obebusa se edien ene ebedi ho nkomo eye yenuanom a ewo Holland Germany ena yenuanom mo Austria eye nkromiensa se oye Ghana ni na wo kromu honom a eka Ghana ban de onka se untimi nji krobi so krata anase untimi kwaji krobi asetena omo passport the mechanism Ghana government in can say Ghana ni bia obetra sa kro mensa untime nje omo passport if you say yemra ne say Ghana ni bia ye Ghana ni so obo akwaji obi kro mu krata akra passport kra na still we Ghana ni na nso kro we mensa de omo ye say ye de so opese oje ye krata che de kro mu de no ekọ ti so ye Ghana ni e so de Ghana de no ekọ na obeje me de no me pese obekuta mienu eti ma ye nuanu bi ekoje krom okrata a omode Ghana de no ebre Ghana ban tai ti say enyo o papa ne Ghana bio but o papa de otifie ondo mi se ne ba no prodigal son so bachna obejo odo ka hwe yo de wo kro na wo so no ena se menye yi de denya ne ya German aban say German aban atenase adwendwen ho akohu se ono soso no atenase no ho se esese ne kuromufo soso no ekwanya abase wa okuta German passport bia no ososo no obetima gikuro foforo so krata anase passport etire se Ghana fo a ewo Germany ati asema ede na emomo implementation no de ensha ase parliament no ahwe aka se omaji atum na aka se ebeye adwuma na ye nuanom e wo ho no e bi busa se ye ne aye de kware now so beji certificate o Ghana say ye nye Ghana fo bio ana say ye nkuta Ghana passport bio no ebe ye den yasa aba beji ye Ghana passport ne no e na akoye asema Ghana fo wa manone titu Germany edi hu abobo eti ene ye ne one Ghanaian a wosua emra ewo eye immigration status ye ka say lawyers no esnobia na die o esno lawyers no bia na die te say yen presenters na ha na esno de oye political program de oye entertainment oye we sa na lawyers ne te enya lawyer bia na ye fa ne keke o yo etine ye ne ye nua bema lawyer Andy or your immigration lawyer ewo United Kingdom Abrokyire Nkomo lawyer emo akwa abadoba Asempa 94.7
I'm so Akonta yo
Andy na bibia boko de
nyame adom na won say
ede nyame ase yo said the me intro no atin say na obo trinko next so no juma o papa edo ko school se kusua ade a wo kofa sa dwumede wo to kokoso no me kokko amankwa me de ne se me ti radio yachi ana se mic yachi na me bubom Ghana for wo Germany aten wo maso papa amu betie say way forward say German for say afi de Germany bia betimekuta o man for passport yenuanom a omode baaye no se omunya Ghana fo bio sa ne binum ka no ye nya Ghana fo bio se nya sa so de ka na obechirechirem omakoji wo mo German passport se bibeji kukuro e wo Ghana ha German baba before omako ne maame ne papa no kura te ho didi kura na se bibi di kukuro German fo be fa wo no akọ agya ne maame ne papa so ne yire kura te ho na ne yiri kuta German Ghana passport onu kuta German passport ye cross border na say ya covid ba ye omudi plane be si o no so mo form nationals menim say ye fa be ma bi ko ye ja ne yire wa ha we chere say enkrata ho hia papa ye bisa o say Ghana for 80 ye be ne den asem se be
I think first of all, we have to understand the definition of when we say be a national of the country and when one also becomes a citizen of the country.
All right.
Okay? Now, nationality is acquired by birth or by adoption or through marriage and not by descent. Okay? And the specifics, it varies from country to country.
Right.
So having the nationality is crucial, and everybody, Osha Emra, Article 15 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, it declares that everyone has a right to nationality. Citizenship is a different thing altogether. Citizenship is more a relationship between a state and a person.
Okay.
And it gives that person certain rights and responsibilities. And you will keep citizenship, not your nationality.
Okay.
So, in Ghana, under the Citizenship Act of 2000, you are a Ghanaian national. You're closer to Mexico. All right? Their children, and I don't know Mexico, you are a national, your class is a national of Mexico. But to become a citizen, unless you turn 18, then you become a citizen of Mexico, even though you were born there. And the German Umrano allows you to renounce your citizenship, which is the right governing you in Germany by the Ghanaian authority. Renounce your passport, and we will give you ours. And then your right, as a choice, you can choose to. And you could deprive this our rights more. or embassy in the respective country, and yet or share. So they voluntarily so bit in your idea.
Okay.
In two we now see nothing to say, but say what I we are right somewhat amount of privilege to have those two privileges from the two countries or more countries. You just go back to your country, no one's going to you for citizenship back. And then the Ghanaian authority cannot stop you.
Now, so okay, Ghanaian authorities need to stop. But what about this certificate? And now they are called.
Yeah.
Now, certificate, you know, how the call and the trust say, oh, what the passport now, but say, own pay passport in the view. Let's say, so we also apply for the certificate in the view. I say, you have to.
No, you don't.
I didn't know you
don't. Not when you are a national of that country, because also the case of that Supreme Court case of Asari and the state now called Supreme Court now. It entails strictly all that issue about that dual citizenship, you know. So what you are saying. And only that problem. So when you're national with birth certificate alone, you are allowed to enter Ghana. So what you are saying. And who call it now and say it's a statement you may say, I want to voluntarily give up that right. And mind you, your Ghanaian passport and is the property of Ghana. And you do Ghanaian passport by any immigration officer on some pensions or the Ghanaian authority.
Yeah.
Because it's not your passport. You are just the carrier of that passport or the bearer of that passport, but it's a property of Ghana.
It is a saying, they say, also, Emrana Abba. Enya effective, they say. I think a bit time I effective at the middle of this year. It's but the same issue happened years back. Or Norway. Okay. Emma, issue the war statement in Ibo has say press release about Bonteno. Or say clarification on dual nationality and application for dual citizenship card and certificates. Eti already call paragraph 4 now or say however, in case of a country such as Federal Republic of Germany, Austria, and Netherlands, where citizenship law do not subscribe to dual nationality, like you said, no, Ghanaians who opt to renounce their Ghanaian nationality in favor of citizenship of this country will have to bear their own responsibility of traveling to Ghana with their own choice of traveling document. In case in case of the Kingdom of Norway, where a dual citizenship law came into effect 1st January 2020, Ghanaians who had earlier renounced, underline that word, renounced their Ghanaian citizenship prior to passing the law, will have to go through process of applying to be reinstated as a Ghanaian before applying for a Ghanaian passport. Only those who renounce their citizenship. The
Ministry of Interior will have every right to implement their own structure or formalities to re-engage you or reinstate your citizenship again. That would be entirely their process. What they are saying. But mind you, you are not renouncing your citizenship and your nationality when it comes to your citizenship or not. Okay. You are just giving out on rights and responsibilities you will have attributed to Ghana. So what you are saying. You find that some of those things as a citizen of Ghana right now, as a bearer of the passport of Ghana, school or your national service, correct?
Yeah.
It's one of your responsibilities.
Okay.
Only now you are saying you are no longer doing it. And the Ministry of Interior can have a process in place with the new age right now whereby we have, biometric system in place. They have the right to put that in place. Then our own sign, command, sign, change. So they will put something in place. When I renounce you, they say, what's the number? But I know just so much deprive you right me earlier to your nationality because I'm not there. I know just you birth certificate in that system, and nobody can deprive you of that. Once born a Ghanaian, you are always a Ghanaian.
It's who can say that's a reinstated no. I wanna meant yesterday say said the 2020 year only 4 years ago, right? It's later you make say address 29th July 2021. It's proud to that far the Norway case in steady case to in animal war Germany. Na say wa renounce wa kotua ne sika bibia ama the certificate na ma no or the akọ se send the panel san ba no se so registration for ana
and I'm sure and no is a choice but okuta the birth certificate no do Ghana to see as or sign Ghanaian ID card that they cannot refuse that person that right. Why did I mention that? Or person formality is just like having a dual citizenship certificate. It's not mandatory. You don't even have to. In fact, look at the case of Asari versus State for Supreme Court now. It's mandated for Ministry of Interior to refund or reimburse money paid by individuals.
Yeah, because
for that dual citizenship. And so you are not allowed to. But of course, if you have done it formally, they can also ask you to redo it formally to engage back with them. Okay. They can do that. It's a process. A procedure.
Right.
So what they say? Okay, your Citizenship Act now. It came into effect in 2000. It tells you those who were already citizens and who will carry on to be citizens. Okay, and almost after 2000, then they will have to go through a process. But almost by descent and by birth, they automatically become citizens, and they have always been citizens and nationals.
Right.
From birth.
Right.
So what they are saying. It is different. I just say we have the Birth and Death Registration Act of 1965. It is silent on those who were born before that implementation date. So what they are saying.
Yeah.
It is a process. It's a process, but.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm talking.
Yeah.
Yeah. A drop of kakra hold on. Meet you.
So it's just a process of engaging individuals to put something formal in place. Of course, it's the Ministry of Interior of the dual citizenship.
Asempa FM.
No cry is not valid because you don't need it once you are a Ghanaian national.
Let's say, make sure the same page.
My more example is Norway, any Germany now can do Ghana with the birth certificate or measure the Ghanaian card. So the process not quite with Germany it's just for them to formalize it for the person to have the privileges and rights in Germany. Okay. But to do Ghana there, nobody can deprive them of such rights.
It's necessary requirement for application to be reinstated, as a Ghanaian, let's say, it's free.
It's just like you losing your Ghanaian card. Now, you fill in the form, isn't it? It's a process. So as I said, they will have to put in some sort of a process in place. Then, it's just a normal process for everything. To say, well, also Ghana passport, even as a Ghanaian citizen, you will have to fill in a form, isn't it? Okay. So it's a process.
It's a process. And I see any animal who says, they have to go through the process and get it back. It is all can. But so back Ghana has local process. No so could be a friend is saying 100 cedis so say 150 local Ghana passport of a processing a qualifier
right. Exactly
right. It's it's saying you say foot be not be my animal war Germany say because of they say do I think so much as they say they have to wait and that's how many day
Oh yeah, I mean, obviously, you know, you still have, because person would get the privileges of Germany. You know, Ghana, the almost at any time you can enjoy that privileges. So as well as responsibilities that comes with it.
Right.
So it is you know. So with a German passport now could be money or Ghana, you have the right to either choose between extradition and also basically in Ghana to face your trial. So if you face trial, you can suspend your sentence maybe over to Germany. Am I repatriate you to serve your sentence in Germany? Right. So it comes with rights and responsibilities as well as obligations. I mean, it's a choice whether, even though I can't wait in Yagino, or be over because the men of the system me hold the German citizenship. So I wouldn't lose that.
Yeah. But then the meaning is some make us as a make Nchini wo tomatoes wo ho jene wo ho tie chale bibia wo efie ni fie o ma fi Ghana mom. I think say sadwe Holland ne Austria na is omon ko nkuto dwani na omo so mom paye yi say o ma ban ne be bi sa gate na mom because ya ye ho so many meetings on then ekwan e be fa so a omo so betime kuta Ghana passport and then me say Holland Mr. Rekobe ba be kire na dwe wo ho no mo said ye maami owo Belgium ambassador no on the o say e ka no kunanka wawura Ghana ni bia fie se beje Ghana passport no na beboa ebinum se eno so ma elusu revenue be de etmenya visas no ye ho de gi visa na enye sika kakra na de aba na ye ohun se eno ebi penisa o obi zu pese se misaka passport me regular e wo fie sa visa fee no me ba be di no Ghana for be send say scanner ana what do you say?
You see, when it comes to these sort of things, and no crackers, you be because I could crazy or Ghana and granting amnesty, you know. So sometimes in consultation you hear those sort of things, right. But yeah, it's just the way it is, and it's a choice. But then I hope that now can is unity. You know, and on if they do open the gates, I think the Ghanaian embassy wouldn't be too if they are too strict in terms of because we have to go all that and go to Ghana and just do it. It's simple as that.
Yeah. So then the 2 ways. I say visa. Your visa on arrival. Ultimate process. Yeah. Ultimate never next or conye. But we bring him all the same. You know. Aha. Any person will be a Abrokyire Nkomo. Aha ni di Ghana Nkomo. A boa wo Ghana ni awa man on it. Titru.